Hi boys, welcome the video. How to fix back module info error on Apex Legends. First solution. Let's go start. Go my PC. This local. Double click. Select this option. Go origin file. Now select origin icon. Click right and select properties option. Select this option, enable. Now select compatibility option. Select this option. Now select Windows 7 option. Now enable run this program as administrator option. Select Applic and Accept option. Now click right origin uninstall option. Select property. Enable this option. Select compatibility option. Enable this option. Select Windows 7. Now enable run this program as administrator option. Select Applic and Accept option. Second solution. Let's go origin and double click. Okay. Now select my game library. Now click right on Apex Legends and select repair option. Now we finish process. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Share the video please. Bye bye boys.